Intromusic.com layout track.
Top 3 oldest bonsai trees in the world. Bonsai, which is the Japanese art of growing small trees in containers, dates back to about the 6th century BCE. During this time period, Imperial embassy personnel and Buddhist students would travel to China and bring back container plantings called penjing, the ancient art of depicting artistically formed trees and landscapes in miniature. One of the hallmarks of the art of bonsai is that with proper care, a tree can survive for many years and be passed down as a family heirloom. The following are the 3 oldest bonsai trees in the world and their storied pasts. 1. Bonsai trees at Shunkin Nursery. Age: 800 years old. Location: Tokyo, Japan. The Shunkin Bonsai Museum, which is owned and operated by Kunio Kobayashi, is home to 2 of the oldest bonsai trees in the world, both of which are estimated to be over 800 years old. Kunio Kobayashi is a bonsai master who has been practicing the art for over 30 years. Kobayashi opened the Shunkin Bonsai Museum in 2002 to help spread Japanese culture, especially the art of bonsai, and to exhibit the work done by him and his apprentices. 2. Juniper Bonsai Tree. Age: 1000 years old. Location: Omiya, Japan. The 1000-year-old Juniper Bonsai tree is located in the Mansuyen Bonsai Nursery, which is owned by the Kato family. The juniper tree was collected from the wilds of Japan and tested to be over 1000 years old. Mansuyen is one of 6 famous bonsai gardens that make up the Omiya Bonsai Village. It is the oldest garden located in the village, as the Kato family has owned this garden since the 19th century and it was officially opened to the public in 1925. The garden is also home to old bonsai trees, including a 700-year-old Shimpaku juniper tree. 3. Fittest Bonsai Tree. Age: 1000 plus years old. Location: Treviago, Italy. The Fittest Retusa Lin, which is found at the Crespi Bonsai Museum in Italy, is believed to be the oldest existing bonsai tree in the world at an estimated 1000 years old. Luigi Crespi, the founder of the Crespi Bonsai Museum, spent 10 years trying to gain ownership of the bonsai tree, and he succeeded in 1986. The tree had previously been taken care of and shaped by Chinese masters, and during its first years in Italy it was shaped by Japanese bonsai master Shotaro Kawahara. Crespi and Alberto Lavazza have since been taking care of the tree. Once the Crespi Bonsai Museum was founded in 1991, the tree was placed in a glass pagoda and became the centerpiece of the museum. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to channel.